Welcome to my English Academy. Conversation 1. Talking about your morning.
Hi, Maria. Good morning.
Good morning, Tom. How are you today?
I'm great, thank you. How about you?
I'm a little tired, but I'm happy.
Oh? Did you wake up late?
No, I woke up early at 6 a.m.
Wow, that is early. I woke up at 7 a.m.
What time do you usually wake up?
I usually wake up at 7:30 a.m.
Do you use an alarm clock?
Yes, I use my phone alarm.
What do you do first after you wake up?
I stretch my arms and legs.
I do that too. Then I go to the bathroom.
I go to the bathroom after I stretch.
Do you take a shower in the morning?
Yes, I take a hot shower every morning.
I take a cold shower. It wakes me up.
A cold shower? You are very brave.
Thank you. Then I brush my teeth.
I brush my teeth too. I like mint toothpaste.
Me too. What do you do next?
I get dressed for work.
Do you wear a suit to work?
No, I wear casual clothes. I work at a bookstore.
That sounds nice. I wear a uniform.
What do you do for work?
I work at a hospital. I am a nurse.
That is a very important job. What time do you leave for work?
I leave for work at 8 a.m.
I leave for work at 8:30 a.m.
Do you eat breakfast at home?
Yes, I eat breakfast at home.
What do you have for breakfast?
I usually have cereal and a banana.
That sounds healthy. I have eggs and toast.
Do you drink coffee in the morning?
Yes, I drink 1 cup of coffee.
I drink orange juice. I don't like coffee.
Do you make your lunch at home?
No, I buy lunch at a cafe near my office.
I make my lunch at home. It saves money.
That is smart. Do you check the news in the morning?
Yes, I read the news on my phone.
I watch the news on TV.
What do you do while you eat breakfast?
I listen to music.
I usually talk to my family.
That is nice. Do you have a big family?
Yes, I have 2 brothers and 1 sister.
You are lucky. I am an only child.
Do you live alone?
Yes, I live in a small apartment.
I live with my parents and my sister.
That sounds fun. What time do you get to work?
I get to work at 9 a.m.
I get to work at 9:15 a.m.
Do you check your emails first?
Yes, I check my emails and make a to-do list.
I do the same. It helps me plan my day.
I agree. Well, I should go. I need to catch my bus.
Me too. I need to catch the train.
Have a great day, Maria.
You too, Tom. See you later. Conversation 2. Talking to someone on the bus. Excuse me, is this seat taken?
No, it's free. You can sit here.
Thank you. I'm going to work. How about you?
I'm going to work too. I take this bus almost every morning. Where do you go for work?
I work in the city center.
That's nice. What do you do?
I am a teacher. I work at a language school.
Oh, really? Do you like your job?
Yes, I love it. The students are very nice.
That's great. How long does it take to get to work?
About 30 minutes by bus. And you?
I work near the station. It takes about 20 minutes.
Do you take this bus every day?
Yes, I do. I usually catch the 8:15 bus.
Me too. This is my usual bus.
Do you have a lot of work today?
Yes, I have 3 classes today.
Wow, that's a lot. What do you teach?
I teach English and math.
That sounds interesting. Do your students speak English well?
Some do, some don't, but they are all hardworking.
I admire you. Teaching is not easy.
Thank you. What do you do for work?
I am an accountant. I work with numbers.
That's a good job. Do you like it?
Yes, I like it, but sometimes it is boring.
I understand. Do you work long hours?
Not really. I work from 9 to 5.
That's good. Do you have free time after work?
Yes, I do. I like to read and watch movies.
Nice. What kind of movies do you like?
I like comedies and action movies. How about you?
I like dramas and documentaries.
Do you watch movies in English?
Yes, I do. It helps me learn new things.
That's a good idea. I should try that.
You can watch with subtitles first.
Thanks for the tip. Do you have any hobbies?
I like playing the guitar and cooking.
Wow, you are very talented. Can you play any songs?
A few. I play simple songs for my students.
That must be fun. Do you cook a lot?
Yes, I cook dinner every evening.
What is your favorite dish to cook?
I like making pasta and soup.
Sounds delicious. Maybe I can try your recipe.
Sure, I can write it down for you.
Thank you. Here's my stop. It was nice talking to you.
You too. Have a great day at work.
Thanks. You too. Goodbye.
Conversation 3. Meeting a new neighbor. Excuse me, do you live around here?
Yes, I do. I live in the house next door.
Oh, really? I just moved into this house.
Welcome to the neighborhood.
Thank you. My name is Sarah.
Nice to meet you, Sarah. I'm David.
Nice to meet you too, David.
How long have you lived here?
I just moved here a few days ago.
Oh, so you are new to the neighborhood.
Yes, everything is still new to me.
I understand. Moving to a new place can be difficult.
Yes, but I am excited about my new home.
That's good to hear. Do you like the house?
Yes, I really like it. It has a nice garden.
Yes, the garden is very nice.
Do you have a garden too?
Yes, but mine is much smaller.
I like gardening, so that is perfect for me.
Really? I like gardening too.
That's nice. What do you usually grow?
I grow flowers and some vegetables.
I would like to grow some vegetables too.
You should. It is easy to start with tomatoes.
Thanks for the advice.
You're welcome. Have you met any other neighbors?
Not yet. You are the first person I have talked to.
Then I'm glad we met.
Me too. Everyone seems friendly here.
Yes, people here usually help each other.
That makes me feel comfortable.
Do you work nearby?
Yes, I work at an office downtown.
Oh, that's not too far from here.
No, I take the bus every morning.
There's a bus stop just 5 minutes from here.
That's good to know.
Do you need any help finding places nearby?
Yes, where's the nearest supermarket?
There's a supermarket about 10 minutes from here.
Great, I need to buy some groceries today.
There is also a small bakery on the same street.
Really? I love fresh bread.
Their bread is very good.
I will definitely visit it.
You should also check out the park nearby.
Is it far from here?
No, it is about a 10-minute walk.
That sounds nice. I like walking in the evening.
The park is especially nice in the evening.
I will visit it tomorrow.
If you need anything, feel free to ask me.
Thank you. That is very kind of you.
No problem. We are neighbors now.
I'm happy to have a friendly neighbor.
I'm happy to have a new neighbor too.
I hope we can talk again soon.
Of course. Have a great day.
You too. See you later. Conversation 4. Making breakfast in the morning. Good morning.
Good morning. Did you sleep well?
Yes, I slept very well. Thank you.
Are you hungry?
Yes, I am very hungry.
Great. I am making breakfast.
What are we having?
We're having eggs and toast.
That sounds delicious.
Do you want coffee or tea?
I want coffee, please.
Okay, 1 coffee coming up.
Can I help you?
Yes, of course. You can cut the bread.
Okay. Where's the bread?
It is on the counter.
I see it. Do you have a knife?
Yes, the knife is in the drawer.
This drawer?
No, the drawer next to the sink.
Oh, I see it. Thank you.
You are welcome.
How many slices of bread do we need?
We need 2 slices.
Okay, I am cutting the bread now.
Perfect. Are the eggs in the refrigerator?
Let me check. Yes, they are here.
Please bring me 3 eggs.
Here you go.
Thank you. Do you like your eggs scrambled?
Yes, I like scrambled eggs.
I like scrambled eggs too.
Do you need any salt?
Yes, please pass the salt.
Here is the salt.
Thanks. I am cracking the eggs now.
I am putting the bread in the toaster.
Good. The toaster is very fast.
Oh, the toast is ready.
Great. Is the butter on the table?
No, the butter is in the fridge.
Can you get it, please?
Sure.
Thank you. The eggs are almost done.
They smell very good.
I am adding some cheese.
Yum. I love cheese.
Me too. It makes everything better.
I am putting the toast on the plates.
Great. I am putting the eggs on the plates too.
The coffee is ready.
Perfect. Can you pour the coffee?
Yes. Do you want milk in your coffee?
Yes, a little milk, please.
I like milk in my coffee too.
We have the same taste.
The table looks nice.
Yes, the food looks beautiful.
What is that on the counter?
That is orange juice.
Oh, I see. Can I have some?
Of course, it is for everyone.
Thank you. I will pour some.
Are you ready to eat?
Yes, I am very ready.
Let's sit down.
Okay, I am sitting down now.
Here is your plate.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Enjoy your meal.
Enjoy your meal too.
How is the food?
It is so tasty. The eggs are perfect.
I am happy you like it.
The toast is crispy.
Yes, I like crispy toast.
The coffee is hot.
Be careful, don't burn your tongue.
I will be careful.
Do you want more bread?
No, I am full, thank you.
I am full too.
That was a great breakfast.
I am glad we cooked together.
Me too. It was fun.
Conversation 5. Meeting someone new. Hello.
Oh, hello.
It's a beautiful day, isn't it?
Yes, it is. The sun is very warm.
I love this weather. It's not too hot.
Me too. It's perfect for a walk.
Are you from here?
No, I'm not. I'm visiting.
That's nice. Where are you from?
I'm from Canada.
Oh, really? That's far away.
Yes, it is. But I like this city.
Is this your first time here?
Yes, it is my first time.
What do you think of it?
It's very big and busy.
Yes, it is. It's always busy.
But it's exciting too.
I agree. There's always something to do.
Do you live here?
Yes, I do. I live near the park.
That's great. You can come here every day.
Yes, I come here often.
Do you like reading?
Yes, I love reading.
What book are you reading?
It's a mystery story.
Is it good?
Yes, it's very interesting.
I like mystery stories too.
Do you read a lot?
I try to, but I'm busy with work.
What do you do for work?
I'm a teacher.
Oh, that's a good job.
Yes, I like teaching.
What do you teach?
I teach science.
That's difficult.
Sometimes, but the students are nice.
Are you here for work or vacation?
I'm here for a conference.
Ah, I see. A work trip.
Yes, but I have some free time too.
That's good. You can see the city.
Yes, I want to see the museum.
The museum is very good.
Is it far from here?
No, it's not far. You can walk.
Can I walk from here?
Yes, just go straight for 10 minutes.
Then I will go there tomorrow.
You should also try the food here.
Oh, I love food. What do you recommend?
Try the local pizza. It's delicious.
Pizza is my favorite.
There's a great place on Main Street.
What's the name of the place?
It's called Tony's Pizza.
Okay, I will try it.
You won't be sorry.
Thank you for the advice.
You're welcome.
Do you come here every day?
I come here on weekends.
It's a nice place to relax.
Yes, it's quiet in the morning.
It's not too quiet now.
No, it's getting busier.
Thank you. It was nice talking to you.
It was nice talking to you too.
Maybe I'll see you again.
Yes, maybe. I'm usually here.
Goodbye.
Goodbye. Have a great time in the city.
Thank you. Bye.
All right, everyone. That's all for today. See you in the next video. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more English speaking practice.